Hello security gurus, welcome to this new lecture. In this lecture, we are going to understand the end-to-end DevSecOps pipeline that we are going to implement using Terraform, Kubernetes, Jenkins and AWS. So let's jump into the action. So first we are going to create our AWS infrastructure that will include EC2 instance with Jenkins and other softwares deployed on it using Terraform. The entire infrastructure will be created using Terraform. After that, we will configure Jenkins with Kubernetes, ECR, Docker, and AWS plugins. We will also have to configure some credentials related to these plugins within Jenkins Credential Manager. We will do that as well. After that, we will integrate Sonar Cloud for running static application security testing scan in DevSecOps pipeline using Jenkins declarative file for a new buggy web application that we will be using throughout this course. After that, we will integrate Sneak for running software composition analysis scan within our DevSecOps pipeline for the buggy web application. Once we have done that, we will build and push the same buggy web application to AWS ECR so that later on we can deploy it on Kubernetes cluster. This all will be done using Jenkins declarative file. After that, we will deploy the same buggy web application from Amazon ECR to Amazon EKS, which is AWS Kubernetes cluster, using Jenkins declarative file itself. After that, we will run the dash scan using OWASP ZAP on the buggy web application that we deployed on Kubernetes cluster. So it's going to be really interesting. It's going to be completely hands-on. Everything will be done using Jenkins declarative file. I hope you now understand the end-to-end DevSecOps pipeline that we will be creating in this course using Terraform, Kubernetes, Jenkins, and AWS. So it's going to be really hands-on. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture.